Hi, this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service, and today we're going to do a video on our new tow straps that we use for pulling equipment out of the mud or sand or whatever. So recently we got our tractor stuck and went to pull it out, and we got these little straps here, and as you can see they just shredded right apart, and either that or you got to tie them together, tie them in knots, and then that, of course, you can't get the knots out when you're done, and it's just a big mess. So I was looking on Amazon for the best straps that I could get so I wouldn't have this problem. I would have a nice clean towing system and not having to tie all these things together like I do. And I'll show you what I found. Okay, so there were several different straps online. I ended up going with this Rhino USA strap. This is 4 inches wide and 30 foot long. I think when you buy a strap you want at least 30 foot long because you can't get too close to the vehicle who's stuck in some cases, so you got to be on harder ground, and so that gives you a little bit of length there when you order them in 30 foot. And I ordered this 4-inch one because I get a better braking strength. Okay, now just to tell you a little bit about this 4-inch by 30, it has a 40,320 pound braking strength. So that's really good. Now the working load on this is 13,333 pounds. So between the working load being 13,333 and the braking strength being 40,000 something, it's basically made to tow excavators or heavy construction equipment or whatever without braking. So, and that's what I want. I don't want to be snapping straps the rest of my life. I just want one good strap, and I want it to work well. So another thing I like about this is Rhino USA. It's a father-son company that's ran right out of the United States, so that's important to me to support American-owned businesses. Okay, these straps are going to come in black, green, red, orange, blue. You can pick whatever you want. I actually got the green here with the black, and actually I ordered 2 or 3 of these. I ordered one for each of my trucks, and so I get them in different colors, and then I can tell which one belongs with which vehicle. Now these straps come with a bag right here, so when you're not using your strap, you can just put it right in the bag and seal it up. Okay, and these come in different lengths. These come in a 2-inch by 20, a 2-inch by 30, a 4-inch by 30, and a 6-inch by 30. And this is the 4-inch by 30. It runs about $55 at this time on Amazon. Now something else I ordered as an accessory to that are these shackles right here. If I want to hook 2 straps together, I can just shackle them up. Now as you can see, without the shackles you're just tying knots in your stuff, and then you end up breaking it, and now you got a knot in there with nothing you can use. So if I want to hook two of these together, now I have these shackles. This is a 3/4 inch pin. It just threads on in there, and you can hook your shackles together. And these have a braking strength. These are 41,850 pound braking strength, and these are rated for, like I said, backhoes, excavators, diesel trucks, whatever. So these are going to withstand some torque. So another thing I like about these shackles is on the front of my Super Duty I got these tow hooks. I can just put that shackle on there, put my strap through here, and I am ready to go. I have not got to tie it on here and tie a knot or run it through the other end or none of that. And these shackles have these nice little rubber grips right here, so you're not going to scratch up yourself. It's nice soft landing. So that's another reason that I got these shackles. Now for the back of the truck for pulling or towing, I had my hitch on there, and I would wrap this thing around there, and sometimes it'd slide off or pop off, or I do like a figure 8. But I bought another accessory to solve that problem and make that easier. I bought this 2-inch hitch that Rhino makes. It just goes right in the old hitch there. Put your pin in and you're all set. And now I can just hook my strap right in there. I can hook my other end of my vehicle that I'm towing, and I'm all set to go. Much more secure, much better way of towing from the rear. Okay, these have about a 15-ton brake strength, so you're going to be fine. They're really heavy, and you can get this on Amazon. It's around $46, $47 at this time. Okay, now this isn't any type of a sponsored thing. I'm not getting paid by Rhino USA or nothing. I just found this. I thought it was good. It solved a lot of problems, and it would probably be more of a lifetime investment. They do come with a great warranty also, and you can check out their website and things like that. But I would highly recommend this. I think this is going to be a great addition. We got one for each of our vehicles here in the lawn service, and so we do get stuck. I mean, for whatever reason, in the sugar sand or sometimes in the mud, or just we seem to find ourselves stuck quite often, and we need to have a quick resolution. So if you have those tools in your toolkit, I feel that you'll be better off. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button if you liked it, and subscribe if you want. We're going to have a lot more videos coming out on not only mowers and line trimmers and stuff like that, but also truck accessories. I'm going to go over some truck accessories I've added to my trucks and some other auto accessories. So if you like the video, hit the like button. And this is Kevin with Naples Lawn Service.